Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar Simpson Marketer here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to issue a completion certificate in System.io, basically how to set it up and also what it looks like in real life scenario, and how the end user can actually access their certificate. Basically, just go through the whole process. So yeah, the first thing, obviously, you need a course. So that's, I assume your course is already created, so you need a course so you can issue a certificate. Once you have the course done, under products courses, you can click on the course and click on settings up top over here. And this is a simple checkbox, issue certificate upon completion. So let's just click it, save it. And the way this works is essentially as people go through the course, let's actually do a preview. They have to complete the whole course. Like mark it complete, just completed, however many modules and lectures you might have. As soon as they have completed the final one, the final lecture, they will receive an email with the certificate. So this is what it looks like in real life. So here's the course. There's just one lecture, right? So I just have to complete one lecture and I'll receive a certificate technically, right? So let's just complete it. The only one, mark is complete. So nothing happened, right? You see there's no certificate popping up, no confetti, nothing. So what you need to do now is you need to go to, like as the end user, right? I'm the end user right now. I need to go to my email inbox and access the certificate there. And as you can see, literally seconds after I completed it, then the email came in. And it might be confusing because my name is everywhere, but just because I created the course and I also completed it. But they will receive just a simple email like this. And if they click on the link, then it will look something like this. It will take them back to the course where they can complete the certificate. Not complete it, but rather download it. Right now it's visible here. They have like a link. So you can just click on here. It's going to open it in a, not in a new tab, but rather it's going to download it. So you can just click on it. And now if we want to check it out, this is what it looks like. So this is the instructor name that gets autofilled, the course name, when it got completed, and also my name as the end user, right? Over here, this is just as, it's kind of as simple as it is. It doesn't, as of right now, as of recording this video, it doesn't come with any like customization options. That might be a future thing, right? That just, now there's the functionality and then later they might improve upon it, but I'm not sure. But as for now, this is just kind of like the certificate you get, and they will always be able to download it now. Now that it has been activated through email, anytime they come back to the course, so just kind of revisit the course, they will always have the certification download link as well. So that's kind of cool, right? But yeah, that's kind of the short version. There should also be a video after this that will show how to like create courses on System.io as well. Or also down below, you can go and download a sales page template, which is completely free to use. You can just make it your own. You can download it for free if you have a course, but you need a way to sell it. So you can check in the description. There's a handy, nice little template for you to help sell the course. But yeah, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, comment below. I'd be happy to help however I can. But if not, then hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.